Welcome to my Monday market open analysis. So today I want to analyze the market. So without further ado, I want to start with the news that is going to affect the markets today. So today we only have one yellow folder and if you can see, it is the card at 9:30 in New York session, and then during Asia session there is no news. All the folders are yellow, so we don't have news today that we can say we are afraid of. So we are only able to see that the only news that we are scared of is Bank of Canada, so at 9:30. So without further ado, let's go to the charts to see what if the markets did on the Monday market open on 4 May. Yes. Let me reduce this cluster on my chart. So today the markets have jumped, if you can see it, to the upside direction, because this is the Monday, this Friday market close. This is the Friday market close, and then the market have opened to the upside of the Friday market close. So the market have jumped to the upper side, opening up to this candle. So for us to say yes, we need to trade a buy side direction. We need a reversal of the market to the downside for it to close that gap. So we need a downside direction for us to say yes, the market is going to go upside. We need a candle to the downside. Let me go on 1 day. On 1 day, yes, we need a candle to the downside that is going to close this gap. If it is going to close this gap to the downside, then we can say we are now able to trade this, because we don't want to buy the price at this high. We need to at least buy this at this level or below it. So let's go to 4 hours. Yes, we need a downward movement starting from here to here, and then we'll buy the market on this consolidation. On this consolidation, before we take it to the upper side direction, we need a downward movement, and then we'll take the market from there. This is Euro USD. We are going to take the market from the downside to the upper side, but we need a downward movement and a consolidation to the downside. that is going to say the markets have now changed the direction. So now the structure is okay, but we can't enter the markets too early. It is too early to enter. We need a close to that gap and a move and a consolidation at the downside. We need a downward movement like this. We need a downward movement like this and the consolidation like this, so that it can provide a move to the upper side like this, because we need a shoulder right here, so that we can say the market is now moving to the upper side. We need a shoulder right there. So we are not rushing it, we are only waiting for our setup. Waiting for our setup is the most important thing on this game. So now we can say this is what we need, and this is the only thing what we are waiting for. Let's go to USD card. USD card, we don't have many things that we can say we can analyze using, because I don't want to go to 1 hour. That is going to give me false information. But right now, and this is the pair that is going to be affected today, but I don't want to analyze it yet. So I'm going to run. I don't want to analyze this one. Let me go to USD HF. No. USD CHF. No. Again. We go to NZD. NZD, on Saturday market recap, we said we need a move to the upside direction. We need a move to the upside direction. This is the only thing that we are waiting for, a move to the upside direction that is going to clear the liquidity on top. So this is the only thing that we are waiting for, a liquidity clearance on top. We need a liquidity clearance on top. Yes, the only thing we are waiting for right now, so that we can take the market direct from the area that does not have liquidity hanging. Let's go to AUD USD safe havens. The pair is going up like crazy, so we are not looking for any trade. The structure is very bad unless you want to take shorts, like you want to open small trades and move, but I'm not going to take or to analyze it. This is GBP USD. We said we need a pullback, and this is the pullback that we are having, and I can see that it is a pullback, but the pullback is kind of scary, because I don't have enough confidence to place any trade from this area to this area. I don't have confidence on it. This one, I'll see during the day what is going to happen, but I don't have confidence on it, so that I can take a trade. But this is our move that we need, a downward movement and then Let me go to 1 day so that we can see if we are able to open a trade on it. I don't have confidence on this move. I don't have confidence on it. Zero confidence. So we only take a trade that we have confidence on it. Yes. NZD card. NZD card, we said we need a downward movement. Yes. Now we are having a downward movement. This first opening candle. Because we need a downward movement from year to year. We need a downward movement. And then the market will then rise to the upper side. We need a downward movement on NZD card. This is what we are waiting for NZD card to give us. So we are not rushing it. Let's go to AUD card consolidation at this section. No, BTC, USD, no again. On gold, we said we need a downward movement, and this is our downward movement. And the market did not jump to any level or any side, so we are okay. The only thing that we are worried about is where to open a trade. And on Saturday we said that the market need to reach this area with a candle, not a wick. So if it wants to reach that area, so there's also potential for it to move to the upper side for a little bit before it came to the downside. Yes. This is what we are waiting for. A movement to the upper side a little bit and a downward movement. On USJPY, USDJPY, there is no trade again that I can take right here. Many pairs that I see right here, the trades are not that good. Maybe it's Monday, but I can't see any trades. I'm just doing the market analysis so that I can see what if just happened, and tomorrow I'll analyze again so that I will see the difference between the Monday market open and the analysis of tomorrow. Yes, on Friday we received a downward movement, and I was thinking that the market is going to reverse at this area on Euro AUD. I was thinking the market is going to reverse at this area, but it did not reverse on that area. So I think if we are going to open a trade, it is going to be a trade that is going to be right here. The market will it is producing a setup like this one, a move to the upper side, a move to the, and then we'll take the market directly from this area. If you can see, this one. This is our move that we need. We are going to take to open a trade from this area going to the upside. First, we need to take profit at this level when the market is returning to the downside, because it will return to maybe this level, and then it will move again from that level too. So before it did that, we need a move to this side and to this side, but we need to have a take profit on this one, and then we'll take another trade from here to the other side. So this is what we are waiting for on Euro AUD, and also GBP AUD. This is our consolidation that we are having from here. So we need also to open a trade from this direction to the upper side. This is our chance for us to open a trade, because the market is going to move to the upper side maybe today. The market is going to move to the upper side. So we are taking the market from here, using this here to here. This is our take profit, right here. So I need to open a trade on that. GBP, not Euro. GBP, I think GBP is good, is the best. Let me go to daily. Yes, I think GBP is the good one to open a trade. GBP is the best. GBP is the best. We'll go to card Swiss franc. I said I need a move to the upside and a move to the downside, but the market already give us a move to the downside, so it's okay. I was saying we need a move to reach this area, but the market didn't give us that move, so we are not even worried about that, because we have missed the move, but it's okay. We go to GBP NZD. We go to GBP NZD. Let me refresh the page. I don't know what have just happened, but I think it's network issues. So I was on GBP NZT. Yes, GBP NZT. We said we need a movement to the upper side on weekend recap, and this is a movement to the upper side that we said we need. Very, very perfect move to the upper side. So the only need we need to do is to open a trade right from this point. From this point, this is going to be our stop loss. And this is going to be our move right from this point. And then the other one that we said we need is going to be our long. That is going to be from right here to this area. This is going to be our long. This one our short GBP NZT. This one Euro NZT. We don't have a trade that we can say we need to trade. GBP card also. The chart is not that one that I can say I need to trade and I have confidence on. So the market is just consolidating and it is not giving us any sign that it is going to deliver to any direction that I can say yes. But if I need to trade this one, the market will just move to the upper side, clearing liquidity on top. This is the sign that is going to say we are moving to the upper side. So I think I'm going to take a move from this, but I'm not going to take it because the pair is going to be affected with news today. So I don't think I'll open a trade on that one. So this is it for Monday market opening analysis. The only trade that I'm able to see is GBP NZT and GBP AUD. These are the two trades that I'm able to see that I would think I'm going to take. So tomorrow I will show you the results of the two trades that I am taking today. Tomorrow I will show you the results of the trades that I'm taking today. So yeah,